Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and we're gonna unboxing for today is Apple Watch Series 3. So I went this morning here in the Apple store in Mall of Emirates. So here's one for the package. Here. So I got here is GPS version and aluminum with a gold aluminum one here. This one, check, it's 44 millimeter. It's GPS and not cellular, because cellular we don't need this one because my phone is always with me, so no need for a cellular model. So this is the first time here. It's still not yet open. Okay, so what to do now is we're gonna open it. Here you go. Gonna open nicely. Okay. Okay. Open this one. So this now we got the nice package for the. I don't know why, for this reason. Oh, by the way, I got this from Apple store, Mall of Emirates, and I bought for 1,729 dirhams. So dollar, I will check for the dollar. We'll see here below. I will check in the link for how much for the dollar and how much for the Philippine peso. Okay, one to receipt just for the warranty. And now I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, wow, this is so nice touch. See, the cut now is this one. I don't hate like this. It's pink, gold stain pin with gold stainless pin, and this one's pink sand. Yeah, pink sand 40 millimeter. Yeah, here it's pink sand sport band. I have to get the gold one. I have to buy this. I shouldn't buy this gold stainless, but it's not available for now. It's always not on stock. So after all, I'll get this aluminum, by the way. Here's one. Designed by Apple in California. So no stickers here available. Yeah. Manuals here for the manual. We should put some Apple stickers here because Apple, iPhone, iPad are having this one. So we're gonna unbox this first or later. This one first. Yeah, the charger. So this time they don't have this stainless at the back, but I have one. I have one here. Okay, cannot find it. And charger, the adapter. Here we go. This one is different, the adapter from the iPhone. Here, I'm gonna open. Because here it's like this. And open like that. But the other one here is, sorry for the messy. It's like this one. By the way, I got this 29 watts USB Type-C power adapter for my iPhone XS. The more faster charging. This one's very nice one. So we put it there. So we're gonna unbox it now. I don't want to open this one because I have one more charger cable, I mean, for my Series 3. And then we have this one. Okay, should I gonna remove this one, folks? Okay. So this one, there's a nice touch for this. Wow, this is so nice, touchy. It's very luxurious gold. And this now they have one like this, but before it's just like this plastic in it, but now they changed to one of these pocket Alcantara leather. Should I say? It's nice touch. I'm gonna open now. Put it there, and we're gonna open for the Apple Watch Band Sportman. So this manual stickers, Apple Watch, there, bala. It's not type, it's like a dirty white, there's na pink sand, so it's still good. Okay, it's okay. Like this. So we're gonna put it there for the first time. Okay. So we're gonna set up for it. So there's now a nice touch for this one. There's a haptic feedback now. You will know. Okay. So we'll just confirm my country. So I am here in United Arab Emirates. Here. So start pairing. So I'm gonna pair my watch to my phone. I'll be right back. We're back now, and I just finished set up this phone now, and all it syncs from my last Apple Watch. Still some of them are syncing. Okay, this is my previous watch face for my Series 3. By the way, I have this right now, the stainless charger. For this one, I got it from my Series 3 stainless cellular version. For this one, I got the plastic one, but this in my previous Apple Watch, I got this stainless cable, and it's okay. Now we have it here. Okay, let's check something what's new here. This one. So there, I think they have this customized. So I'm gonna have to customize this. Okay. And it's very nice here. It's big screen now. This one. I have this ceramic back now. So better. This one's very nice. Okay. So thank you for watching my unboxing and some quick review. I hope you will like it. Please wait for my another video and subscribe, and peace.